Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to change the lock screen unlocking animations on this device. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you've got a special app which is called Good Lock. So it is available in the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. Just find it, download it, and then tap on it. So we are in the plugins, and what you need to do is to localize the Lockstar. You will need to download it. Just tap on this download icon and then enter the Lockstar basically. So here we've got the preview of our lock screen. So just tap on the Lockstar and tap on unlock animation. So obviously it will be turned off, so just tap on the switcher here, and now you can actually manage the animation type. Just a quick disclaimer, if you've got the Samsung Fold, you can also show it on the cover screen. If you do not have one, it will probably not appear. So here in the animation type, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So here we've got the preview, the demo, so we can choose the slide, the expand, spread, wave, warp, ripple, mosaic, fade, wiper, paint, and glitch, and swirl, and that's all. So as you can see, plenty of options to choose from. Moreover, each can be customized. So for example, if we'll pick the swirl, you can choose the direction, so it is either clockwise or counterclock. You can change the animation time, so you can make it much faster and much slower according to your personal needs. And here you've got also the interpolator, so usually it will be set on default, so as you can see it will look like it, but you can set it ease in, ease out, linear, and bouncer, and custom, so you can manually customize how you would like to set this interpolator. And as I said, depending on the animation type, you will have different options. In swirl, we've got something like that. In glitch, we've got, for example, noise size, so we can set it strong or weak. We've got also the paint. We can set the paint stages. We can set it on the left, so as you can see, we've got those bigger chunks or smaller chunks. And the color, obviously, of the paint, the animator time again, and interpolar. In the wiper, again, the color, fade, animation time, intensity. In the mosaic, for example, so whether it is really strong or weak. Ripple, warp, wave, etc. So as you can see, depending on the animation type, we've got different options. So let me apply, for example, the glitch one. I think I'll pick the strong option here. The animation time, I think I like it somewhere in between, and in the interpolator, maybe the default one. So if you will decide, if you will set everything here, you need to go back, and here you need to tap on done in order to actually apply everything. So now all we need to do is to lock our device and unlock it, obviously. And as you can see, we've got this cool effect. So I really highly recommend to take your time and have fun with this section, because it can really improve your device and the look of it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.